How to add Google Drive to Files app on iPhone, mainly iPhone 12, and this works on iPhone 11, iPhone 13, and even iPhone 16. So basically here, you learn how to access Google Drive files within the Files app on your iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 series. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The first thing you want to do, before you can add the Google Drive files to app or file app on your iPhone, is you first need to go to App Store, and on the App Store page you want to search for Google Drive. So search for the Google Drive app, then click on it, and then make sure you install the Google Drive app on your iPhone. Once you've downloaded and installed the Google Drive app on your iPhone, then close it. Go ahead and open the file app on your iPhone, then make sure you come back to browse and return to the home screen just like this. While on the screen, locate Drive under locations and then click on it. Then you see folder that says turn on Drive. To browse and add files, you need to turn on Drive. Then go ahead and tap turn on. Once you tap turn on, just hang on while this is going to load all the files you have on your Google Drive. Now, when next you want to access the Google Drive files on your iPhone, you can either open the Google Drive application itself or go ahead and open the Files app. Then once you open the Files app, on the browse page, locate Drive, click on it. Then here are all your Google Drive files. So that is basically how to access Google Drive files on your iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.